I just can't give it up. Yeah, yeah.
Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy D Nolly, aka Don Squally, and in today's video we are back at it. Today we ain't working on this thing. This car is pretty much ready for storage. Just charging up the battery right now. I'm gonna be taking it out one more time, washing it down before I park it for the winter. But since winter is coming rather quickly, today we are gonna be working on the G35 snow plow. So I got the plow all hooked up, wiring is connected. Everything's good to go on that front. I might take it into the garage, do an oil change on it, or at least make sure that the oil level is good. Went ahead and threw some rear fender flares on this thing today, just because those fenders are like super rusty, and my kid likes to play around this car. He'll probably be riding with me when we're plowing snow, so I don't want that to be a hazard. And yeah, what I'm thinking we're gonna do for today is, if you guys remember, a couple years ago I had the B15 Sentra, and when I had that car, the plan was to do a NISMO vinyl like sticker, basically along the side, and then there's one for the hood as well. And I was considering putting it on this car, since I don't have the Sentra anymore, and I don't think it'll look that great on this car. I like the simplicity, the black. I just think the stickers will be a little too much for this. But then it got me thinking, I'll just throw them on the plow rig, since I do film that thing quite a bit in the winter time, and I think it would be absolutely hilarious to have, you know, a livery on, like just a complete lifted, ridiculous G35. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. It's a little cold today, but we're gonna go ahead and measure this up and just stick these on relatively quickly. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this, because I don't really care about these stickers or the car. I just think it'll look hilarious. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw the camera on the tripod, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get these things lined up and at least get one side and the hood on today, and then if I have to, I can work on the other side another time. Oh, hell yeah. That's sick. One side on. I'm not gonna lie, that looks absolutely sick, man. I'm gonna get a razor blade, cut our door jambs here nice and flush. Yes, man. I think next up I'm gonna go ahead, throw the hood vinyl on here, and I think I got a couple NISMO stickers I can put somewhere. That looks sick, bro. Yes. Okay, so we ran into a couple of issues on this side. The paint started peeling up, and it's just not sticking properly now because the paint's all over the adhesive. But I am gonna cut this this line here, and if I have to, I'll probably go under, I don't know, put some sort of adhesive under there. Alrighty, looks great from 10 feet away. We're just not gonna zoom in on it, man. All right. I mean, it's not perfect, but let's be honest. That's why this thing is hilarious and fun to me. And so I think they gave me 2 passenger side panels, because if I put this like that, then red's on the top and red's on the top from the other side. So I mean, I don't want to, but I mean, send it, right? And there you have it. Driver's side is done. And that is looking damn sick. Oh, that looks wicked. Alrighty, there you have it. Both sides are completely done. Probably gonna work on the front end. We'll see if I can get some better adhesive underneath there and kind of get that stuck down a little more. But for a beater snowplow that really serves no other purpose other than to do a job, to have it look cool is kind of a bonus. So if you guys did enjoy this one, don't forget to smash that like button if you guys want to see more content and you're not subscribed. A couple of months this thing is going to be doing some work, so I'm excited to have this thing ready to rock and roll. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys think down in the comments section of that NISMO off-road G35, I guess. I'm not really sure what to call this, man, but we'll see. We'll see what I put in the title of this video. So as always, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. We're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man.